Hello, everybody. My name is Kayla Adams. I am currently enrolled in the dual degree program. So that's the MSW as well as the Human Sexuality Masters. This way I'd be able to be a sex therapist when I graduate from the program. I do not currently work within the mental health community. I do work for a healthcare company, but I am within business HR right now. So I haven't had the opportunity to work closely with anybody who has been diagnosed with anything or used the DSM-5 as of yet, but I'm super excited to learn, how to diagnose people, which ways to do it, healthy ways of diagnosing people instead of, people who just prescribe pills and all of that. I do have my brother-in-law is diagnosed as a manic depressive, bipolar. So I do have a little bit of experience in terms of what that diagnosis means, what he needs, both in terms of the fact that he does need pills sometimes, and then sometimes he really just needs psychoanalyst therapy, so just talk therapy and all of that. So that's really what I've had experience in so far. But I'm really excited to do my field placement and start to get experience with diagnosis and what that all comes with. So excited to learn with all of you and learn from all of you as well. So yeah, have a great semester and I'll be talking to you.